How to choose the right carpet cleaning equipment. Today, we're diving into the world of carpet cleaning equipment. Choosing the right equipment is crucial for achieving effective and efficient carpet cleaning results. So, if you're looking to level up your carpet cleaning game, this video is for you. 1. Consider the cleaning method. Different carpet cleaning methods require specific equipment. Whether you're using hot water extraction, dry cleaning, or encapsulation, make sure your equipment is suitable for the chosen method to achieve optimal results. 2. Size and portability. Assess the size and portability of the equipment. If you're handling large areas, a heavy-duty machine with a wide cleaning path might be ideal. On the other hand, for smaller spaces or multi-level buildings, a compact and lightweight machine can offer convenience and ease of maneuverability. 3. Water tank capacity. The size of the water tank is essential, especially for larger cleaning projects. A larger tank reduces the frequency of refilling, enabling you to clean more area in one go. However, keep in mind that a larger tank also means a heavier machine. 4. Power and performance. Look for carpet cleaning equipment with sufficient power and performance to tackle stubborn stains and deep-seated dirt. Higher suction power, adjustable brush settings, and efficient water extraction capabilities are key features to consider. 5. Durability and maintenance. Investing in durable and well-built equipment ensures longevity and reliability. Check for quality construction materials and user-friendly maintenance features that make cleaning and upkeep hassle-free. Conclusion. To sum it up, choosing the right carpet cleaning equipment is vital for achieving professional-grade results. Consider the cleaning method, size and portability, water tank capacity, power and performance, and durability and maintenance when selecting your equipment. By making an informed choice, you'll be equipped with the tools necessary to tackle any carpet cleaning challenge.